Hello everyone, my name is Deepak Boppana. I'm Senior Director of Marketing at Lattice Semiconductor, and today I'd like to share with you one of our demos we have here at CES, and this is about embedded vision development kit that we have. And this demo is really showcasing how you can use this kit for a variety of different applications that are embedded vision related, from drones to robotics to video surveillance cameras. And this is really a modular development platform. As you can see here, it has 3 different boards, and it includes multiple devices from Lattice. On the first input board, you have dual image sensors with a CrossLink FPGA that's really optimized to do mobile MIPI bridging. And then the middle board has ECP5 FPGA that's really optimized for low power processing. And it could be anything from ISP, image signal processing, which is what we are showing in this demo. So this is an ISP from our partner Helion, and as you can see, it's pretty high quality and can implement various functions, including high dynamic range capability. And also please check out a couple of other demos we have in the other videos that showcase more advanced functionality, including machine learning and 3D depth mapping using this same kit. Thank you for your time.